Hi guys, Captain Nick here with MarineMax in St. Petersburg. We're in a service yard. We're in a yacht yard here, and yeah, there's gonna be a lot of noise. We're gonna deal with it because what I have in its natural habitat is a Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. This is one of the most recognizable hulls that you will see on the water in the United States of America or the rest of the world. Been a ton of memories on this boat. If you're watching this right now, chances are you remember cruising down the lake or cruising down the Intracoastal with your grandmother or grandfather having a good time. Well, guess what? The good times are back, and this is an all-new in-stock Boston Whaler 17 Montauk boat, motor, trailer package, swing tongue trailer right there. That means that you're ready to fit this baby in a 2-car garage. Moving up here, gonna do this all in one take, so bear with me, everybody. White rub rail, stainless steel insert, light blue full hull gel coat. You know, it's a tough stuff. It looks really great. I would take this over a white boat sometimes even. Over here, fishing package. That means that you have the rod holders, the seat with the cooler seat with the cushion on top, and of course you have the tackle storage over here for your tackle trays. Up top, in Florida, you need that bimini top. It's not even an option, so we spec them all out with it so you're ready to rock and roll. Moving our way over here, this boat's ready to cruise. We've got the reversible seat with a live well in it. We have our Fusion stereo in there. You're ready to crank the tunes. And of course, back here, you have the full lounger. I love this option. You can fit 2 or 3 adults back there and just start having a good old time. You're gonna wanna feel safe right here. That's why we have these higher rails in the back, but we have the low profile ones in the front, so you're not gonna trip over them. And it's just gonna feel nice and secure. Moving back here, these boats they usually come with a 90. Well, guess what? We said forget that. We're gonna put a 115 on the back of this boat so we can get up and go and have some fun. Once again, I'm Captain Nick with MarineMax in St. Petersburg, Florida. This is a Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. Come on down, come get you some, and we'll get you out on the water. Bye, guys.